You used to poop right away when you wanted to go. I don't get you no more. I don't get you. Dutch, the Beagle's pissed. She wants to go home. You've changed. Ever since that treat you got in Blackwater.
My God. Looks like Build-A-Bear police canine. Marston! Let out a fart and the Beagle can find you. She's making yellow snow.
That's John. Have some God faith.
Must have been here recently.
How can you tell?
Looking around.
Yeah, you know how else you knew an animal was here? Streak of piss.